I tried over 100 affiliate marketing businesses, and this one that I will share with you guys in this video is the best and the profitable one that you should start if you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and this one just last month made me $16,972 in commission, as you can see in the last month, from the first day of October until the day 30, and this payment was already paid. As you can see over here, this is my invoice. Okay, so this affiliate marketing business is a really a profitable and the best one that you should start as beginner if you are interested to start making money. I will share with you guys all my methods, all my strategies that I'm using to earn like these commissions every single month using, and the best part is just by using organic free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, so let's get started. Step number one, all you have to do, you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr and click on this link over here. Okay, Fiverr freelance service marketplace. Click on this link, sign up by using your email address. All you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to scroll down. So you just need to come to your home page and scroll down like I said, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. And from my experience, like I said, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because some commissions can be up to $150 for just one service. If you one person buy just this one service from you, some services you can earn up to $150. Okay, so it's really the best affiliate marketing business that you can start. You can check this website like I said to get idea. So just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliates. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. If you have and do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Scroll down and choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your homepage, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our services with free traffic. So what you will do next, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, like this, search for Pinterest. The sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you guys just need to sign up by using your email address, and that's it. They will ask you if you want to create a business account or personal account. Choose business account, click on the first link, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy and simple, and Pinterest has, I think, has like 1 billion monthly visitor. Yes, you guys can see Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, so meaning that we can get really so much traffic from Pinterest if we promote the correct and the good services that people will be interested to buy from us on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. We need to choose good services that we will promote on Pinterest. Okay, so I will share with you guys my services that I'm promoting personally on Pinterest. You just need to copy and paste. So what you will do, click on the search for Pinterest. Okay, so since we will promote our services on Pinterest, we will use services related to Pinterest. Okay, so this will make sense. Okay, people who are using Pinterest will be interested to buy those services related to Pinterest. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people who are providing this service on Fiverr. All you have to do next, you need to choose a good sellers. Okay, how we can choose good sellers? Choose like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, level 1 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, that's why you need to choose good sellers, because people will check the profile of the sellers, they will check the feedback, the reviews. That's why you need to choose good ones. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see, I will set up Jimmy's Pinterest pins. This one, you guys can see, this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. People who keep saying in the comments it's not working. So what's this? 20 orders in queue. You guys can see 20 orders in queue. Which people? So just answer this question in the comments. Which people will buy this service? Okay, which people? People who are using Pinterest. Only people who are using Pinterest will buy this one, this Pinterest marketing service, to grow their Pinterest account, to grow their business on Pinterest. People keep coming back. You see how many people paid for this service? Okay, so it's working. You just need to do it correctly, you guys. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of the seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on defaults and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest and go back to your home page on Pinterest. Click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture. So you guys can see this picture is not looking good. Commerce and Pinterest, I'm gonna use, let me see if we can find a good one. I will use this one. Okay, double click on the picture and click on save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save and go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture about Pinterest marketing service. And here you go. Go back to the seller profile page, copy his title, go back to Pinterest and put this title over here like this. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this about this gig. This is his description. So what you will do, you just need to copy this description. I will copy this part to show you guys how you can do it. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. So keywords related to the service that you are promoting. So you can use Pinterest marketing, you can use Pinterest marketing growth, and you can use all keywords related to Pinterest. Okay, anyway guys, you should know that those tags, they are not important. The important part is your title and your description. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, you see this, your affiliate link will be published like this. This is your affiliate link, this is your affiliate link also over here. This is your picture, and this is your data. So after you publish your pins, after few days, after 2-3 days, get back to your Pinterest account and check your data. Check how many impressions this pin got, how many people click on this pin. Okay, and services that are getting a lot of clicks, keep doubling and keep promoting more services that are getting a lot of clicks. If people are clicking, meaning that people are interested, but if those people didn't buy this service from you, meaning that you need to convince those people. So how we can convince those people? You can try to make content about this service. Okay, that's how we can convince those people and start making commissions. Okay, and that's it. For people who are keep saying you cannot put affiliate links directly on Pinterest, so for me guys, I have been doing this method exactly like that I shared with you in this video for over like 5 years. I'm still doing this method. I didn't get any problems with my Pinterest account because maybe I have old Pinterest accounts. If you guys have any problems, you guys can use websites. You can create an affiliate website and you can put your services inside this affiliate website, and each time you are promoting a service on Pinterest, you can just put your affiliate link website in your pins. Okay, and this is the safe way. You don't need to worry about anything. I think it's already people already made videos on YouTube about this. You can go to YouTube and search for how to create an affiliate website. You can find a limited videos that will show you exactly how to do it, and for free you can create those websites. There are a lot of websites that you can create for free. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who keep asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you step by step, explaining to you this process and everything. Okay, also those methods that I'm sharing with you, a lot of people already made commissions, and a lot of people get back to me in my email and keep saying thank you so much for sharing this. Please share more, keep uploading more videos like this, share with us all the services that you are promoting. I'm also still will share with you guys a lot of services. I'm really happy for people who got results. For people who didn't uh, get any result yet, you guys need to really keep checking. This is, if you are not doing this, you will never make any commission. The first thing is you need to stay consistent. Okay, second part is you need to always check your Pinterest data, always check your Pinterest analytics. Okay, and see which pins are getting a lot of clicks. Don't keep just promoting any services that you think it's gonna work or you like it, or just services that you like. It doesn't work like this. You need to promote services that people will be interested to buy. Also, you need to make content about those services. Okay, that's how we can convince people to buy those services from you. And I want also to explain something. Guys, this commission that I made, it didn't come from just Pinterest. I'm not using just Pinterest. I'm using YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, Quora, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook groups, Google, and so much more. Okay, and all of those just for free traffic. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.